Today we are talking about anything app builder and whether you can really build apps without coding using this tool. Many people want to create mobile apps or web app, but coding feels very difficult and time consuming. Because of this, no code and AI tools are becoming very popular. Anything app builder that claims you can create real app just by describing your idea. But the big question is, does it actually work in real life? Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover tools that save time and money. So if you want to try this tool, I have shared a helpful link in the description so you can explore it easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description, because by using that link, any special offer or discount will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. So first, what is anything app builder? In simple word, it is an AI powered no code platform that helps you to build apps without writing code. You just explain your idea, like what type of app you want, what feature you need, and the AI will generate the app structure for you. The process is very simple. You start by typing your idea. For example, you can say you want a booking app or a business app or even a simple social media app. The AI will then create layouts, pages, and basic features automatically. After that, you can customize everything using drag and drop tools. Now, one of the best thing about this tool is speed. Normally, building an app can take weeks or even months. But with this tool, you can create a working version in a very short time. This is very helpful for beginners and small business owners who want quick results. Another useful feature is the visual editing. You don't need to understand the coding. You can click, you can drag, and you can edit the elements like text, buttons, and images. This makes the whole process very easy to understand. It also supports the integrations. That means you can connect your app with other tools like payment system, databases, or automation tools. So your app can actually work like a real product, not just a demo. There is also a feature for preview and testing. Before publishing your app, you can see how it looks and works. This helps you to fix mistakes and improve your design. Now let's talk about the ease of use. The tool is designed for beginners. The interface is simple and clean. Even if you have zero technical knowledge, you can still build something that is useful. You don't need to install anything because everything works in your browser. But there are some limitations you should know. First, the AI is not always perfect. Sometimes the app it creates may not fully match your idea. You may need to adjust layouts or features manually. Second, if you want very advanced features or complex logic, this tool may feel limited. It is great for simple to medium level apps, but not for a very complex system. Also, performance can depend on how well you design your app. If you add too many features, it may become very slow or confusing. The tool usually offers different plans depending on users, and also it has a free plan too. If you compare it with hiring developers, it is very much cheaper. But if you are just testing ideas, you should use the free plan or you can get a trial before upgrading. So, who should use anything app builder? It is perfect for beginners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, or small business owners who want to build apps quickly without coding. It is also great for testing ideas before investing a lot of money. So, is it really possible to build app without code? Yes, for simple and practical apps, it is definitely possible with this tool. But for advanced and large scale apps, you may still need developers. Overall, anything app builder is a powerful and beginner friendly tool that makes app creation easier and faster. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. So don't forget to use the link from description if you want to try this tool. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.